everyone, welcome to my video. Look, it's Louie and Yara. We're doing a run. Technically duo run, but sure. We're gonna get Dial and complete his floor. Just wait for the amazing part. See you. Be tuned. Okay, now this is the second floor. I'm sorry, but I have to ignore your request, because I'm still playing with my brother. Now, this freaking little brownie gets in my nerves because I want to eat him. Oh, yummy brownie. Guys, don't listen to him. That's not yummy. That's super ew. Brownies are ew because of Cosmos. Cosmos is a brownies. Cosmos is a brownies. Cosmos is a brownies. By the way, Poppy is and skinny and super chubby. Hope. That's why my candies come in help. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Bro, Poppy tried to beat me, but I juked. Help! What the hell happened? I died. Did your butt cheeks burn again? Because of your fatness. Okay, Poppy, bite him. Spare change. Wait, no. Sparkle plug. Pero, guys, mauna akong giteaser siya, guys. Pero, pero, Hilog. Watch this. Ah! Shit! You freaking little fudgy bar brownie. But guys, in my YouTube channel, we don't say bad words. Except for the ones that I hate.